Are nice and warm, except for that room. Wondering if you have anyone available that can come and see it.
Heat?
Yes.
Oh, baseboard heat. Okay, yeah, no, we could definitely do that. What we can do, I'll send one of my guys over there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a day in the life of an HVAC business owner. We got a steam boiler today, guys. Definitely needed to be replaced. Water leaking from the bottom of the boiler. We told the customer and they said, let's go for it. So we're gonna be over there, but first, got some breakfast going right now with my wife over here.
All right, we're gonna be making some boiled eggs and some toast with butter.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be the main water. Can I cut down? Can I pop this hole?
Yeah, we could pop that stuff. We could get rid of that. This is all gonna change around. Making sure everything's strapped up and everything like that. You can break it there. Break the unions if you want.
Looks like that's being held there.
This is gonna come off.
Then well, I'm guessing they'll go up, then it'll connect right here with a union.
Yeah, this one will connect with a union here. So we have to go and get some other things, you know what I mean? At our house.
Alright, and it's in the basement, right, bro?
Yeah. Let me see if I can hit this one here. Yes, yeah. Yeah, we're making some progress.
Man.
Yeah, 2019.
have to get this from here to there. Like this height, this teeth like right there, kind of. Bit up like this, hey? There, break that over. Let me just.